In the bustling city of Metropolis, where skyscrapers kissed the heavens and people hurried through their daily lives, there lived a man named Clark Kent. To most, he was an unassuming reporter for the Daily Planet newspaper. But little did they know that he was also the legendary Superman. Clark Kent had always been different. From a young age, he discovered his extraordinary abilities, superhuman strength, the power of flight, invulnerability, and laser vision. Raised by loving adoptive parents, Jonathan and Martha Kent, Clark learned to harness his powers for the greater good. One fateful night, a meteor shower struck the small town of Smallville, Kansas, where Clark grew up. Among the fallen meteors was a spaceship carrying a baby boy sent from the distant planet Krypton. The Kents, unable to have children of their own, welcomed the child as their own and named him Clark. As Clark grew older, he realized that he was not like other kids. His parents taught him the importance of using his powers responsibly and keeping his true identity a secret. They instilled in him a strong sense of morality. And Clark developed a deep commitment to helping others. Upon moving to Metropolis and taking on his role as a reporter, Clark Kent often found himself at the heart of breaking news stories. Whenever disaster struck, he would discreetly slip away to become Superman, the city's guardian. One of his most formidable adversaries was Lex Luthor, a brilliant but ruthless billionaire with a penchant for criminal endeavors. Luthor was determined to expose Superman's weaknesses and exploit them for his gain. Yet, Superman's unwavering dedication to justice always prevailed. Superman's iconic S symbol became a beacon of hope for the people of Metropolis. His incredible feats of heroism ranged from rescuing people from burning buildings to stopping supervillains with destructive powers. He was the embodiment of truth, justice, and the American way. But beneath the red cape and blue suit, Clark Kent remained a humble and compassionate man. He cherished his friendships with fellow reporters Lois Lane and Jimmy Olsen and maintained a close bond with his adoptive parents. As the years passed, Superman faced new challenges and adversaries, including the likes of Brainiac, Doomsday, and Darkseid. Each battle tested his limits, but his determination to protect the innocent never wavered. Superman's presence extended beyond Metropolis. He was a founding member of the Justice League, a group of superheroes who united to combat global threats. Together with heroes like Batman, Wonder Woman, and The Flash, they defended the world from supervillains and cosmic dangers. Superman's greatest strength, however, was not his superhuman abilities but his unwavering belief in the inherent goodness of humanity. He inspired others to rise above their limitations and make the world a better place. And so, the legend of Superman continued, a symbol of hope and heroism that transcended the pages of comic books and the confines of the silver screen. In the hearts of many, he was a reminder that even in the face of adversity, one person could make a difference and be a true hero. Superman has had countless adventures throughout his comic book history, and I can highlight a few iconic ones. 1. The death and return of Superman. In this storyline, a seemingly unbeatable monster called Doomsday emerges and wreaks havoc on Earth. Superman confronts Doomsday in an epic battle that ends tragically with both of them seemingly dying. The world mourns the loss of Superman, but eventually, he returns, revealing that he had been in a healing coma. This storyline showcased the resilience of the character and his enduring legacy. 2. The trial of Superman. In this storyline, Superman is put on trial for his actions, as some people argue that his vigilantism undermines the legal system. He faces legal challenges and moral dilemmas as he defends his actions. And the need for superheroes in society. 3. Superman Red and Superman Blue. In this imaginative story, Superman is accidentally split into two beings, Superman Red, focused on physical powers, and Superman Blue, focused on intellectual abilities. Each version of Superman embarks on unique adventures while trying to find a way to reunite. 4. Kingdom Come. In this graphic novel, set in a possible future, Superman has retired due to the increasing violence of younger superheroes. However, he is forced to return when a new generation of heroes threatens to bring about global chaos. The story explores themes of generational conflict and the consequences of unchecked power. 5. All-Star Superman. This series portrays Superman's final days as he confronts his own mortality. Despite his impending death, he embarks on a series of remarkable adventures and performs incredible feats to leave a lasting legacy for the world he loves. These are just a few examples of Superman's adventures, which often blend action, morality, and themes of heroism. Superman's enduring appeal lies in his status as an iconic symbol of hope and his ability to face both physical and moral challenges. His adventures continue to captivate readers and viewers around the world.